ID Quantique started deploying its first network in 2007. It was to secure the Swiss election. Then 5 years ago, we support the European initiative that was called Open QKD, where we sold 15 systems to test the feasibility to use QKD for live deployment. And then more recently, we deployed a link between Bonn and Berlin and another in Poland for the Polish supercomputing center, where we will secure a transborder link that will be a total of 380 kilometers. We have also done in 2020 one of the largest deployment outside China, which is an 800 kilometers network that secures the communication for 48 governmental agencies, and this is right now in production. One of the key learning we had in all this experience is that deploying QKD and upgrading to post-quantum security will require time, and we need to act now, because with a record now, decrypt later, if we wait too long, we'll be late in doing the deployment. So right now we are pushing every country to act quickly, so to be ready in time for the quantum threat. One of the main focus of ID Quantique is to use the most standardized approach to facilitate the deployments of QKD. We have currently onboarded 10 partners on this journey to be ready to deploy with existing systems. So for instance, we have Cisco, Nokia, Fortinet, and many other encryptor vendors that work with us. We also work with standardization body and governments to make sure that we have all the framework to be able to interoperate with any key provider, key consumer, and any other network at a large scale. Today, to deploy a QKD network, there is different layers to provide. The first one is a quantum key distribution layer, which is a point-to-point system that do the quantum magic. At ID Quantique, our product is mature and ready for live deployment. We have already proven field experience. Then the next layer is a quantum management software, which glue all these quantum key distribution links together to build a national network. Also, for this one, we have a good experience. Now, if you want to go beyond national to international scale, there's still some missing standards that need to be developed. ID Quantique is actively working with standardization body to have this gap filled over the next few years by the time we will need to reach this level of deployment. Another aspect that needs to be addressed is the certification of the QKD technology. ID Quantique is leading the pace on that, and we are working again with the similar standardization body to create the proper framework. So we are almost done with this step. The next step that will occur over the next 2 years will be to validate our product against these standards. And we expect to have the common criteria certification on our product in about 2 years. When all this will be together, then we can scale up to international network and larger systems to be used.